everyone, this is Gleeza Made with Glee. In today's video, this is actually quite different. It's a bit of a lifestyle video. I am sharing with you what I'm calling my monthly grocery haul, as well as my holiday shopping for Thanksgiving. I went to 4 different stores over 2 days. Sunday and Monday, I did all of my shopping. I went to Sam's Club and Walmart and Publix and Aldi's to get everything that I needed, and of course to take advantage of the sales that they currently have. I do a lot of buy one get one when I do shopping, so I'll take advantage of stuff like that at my grocery store. Now if you happen to be in Aldi's and you want to look for try something new, I love this Belletti Prosecco. I think it's delicious, so if you're in the mood for Prosecco, do try out the Belletti from Aldi's. I love it. Now just to show you guys some of the things we got, of course I got sodas because we're having a gathering, chips, orange juice. Some of these things, like I said, it's a regular grocery haul for my family that we use on a normal basis, and of course some things such as the turkey are especially for Thanksgiving. Now by the way, I love these Spanish brand Jarritos, I don't even know how to say it, sodas. I love those things. The Mandarin Orange is my favorite orange soda in the world. I love that stuff. And for my turkey, I got a 26-pound Butterball. It was 99 cents a pound at Publix, and that is what I picked up. And now the turkey, this is Sunday. I bought the turkey on Sunday. Some of the other things that you'll be seeing, I bought on Monday because it was, things that like fresh vegetables and stuff like that I picked up on Monday. But Sunday was when I picked up some of my other items from Sam's Club and Publix. Yeah, that's what I did. I'm not sure. I can't even remember where I went anymore. Now, just again, like I said, I do a lot of buy one, get ones, especially things that I know that I'm always going to be using, cheeses. I look at the expiration date and I know how much I use in a month. So whenever it's a buy one, get one, I try to take advantage of those. And things like pasta sauce and flour and sugar, I definitely buy when it's buy one, get one, even if I have on stock, because, especially looking at the date, if the expiration date is far away, I know I will definitely go through it, and it just saves me, having to run out to the store. So I'll always have like maybe 4 boxes of pasta and 4 jars of sauce available at any time in my house. Not just for the holidays. And of course oil was on sale, so I had to get it because I like frying a lot of food. So when it's on sale, I will buy it, so that way I don't have to think about it in a future date. So how much do you think I spent at 4 different stores? Well, I spent a little bit over $400. Yep, $400 and maybe $30 at 4 different stores. The only thing that is not included, that you're not seeing, that is in the total cost there, is one of those Publix rotisserie chicken family meals. I got that on Monday because I didn't cook, so that is in the cost but not shown. That is how much I spent for my monthly grocery haul. I still will need to go shopping in like 2 weeks. Milk, bread, fresh fruits and vegetables, those are things I'm always going to have to add. But other things that you see here, I don't have to buy on a regular basis at all. So, and some of these things, I'll make 1 pie for Thanksgiving, but there's 2 pie crusts. I checked the date. It's good way until like February of next year. So I'll have another pie crust to make another pie for Christmas. So that's basically how I look at it when I shop. So those are all the different things I get. A lot of these are for my appetizers, things we use on a normal basis. Of course, I love ginger. I cook with ginger all the time, so I always pick up a piece of ginger because I do ginger and garlic in pretty much everything. I also got on Monday 4 these big packages of chicken from Sam's Club, and what I do is I portion them off into individual meals. And out of these 4 packages, I have 12 chicken meals for my family of 4 portioned off already. So just to give you an idea of how I do my monthly grocery haul. Now, I'm not eating chicken every single day of the week. We do have other stuff that we can intersperse into that. And also on Monday, I washed and prepped a few of my items, like my green onions, celery, some green peppers, things that I'm going to be using for cooking, that way I don't have to do it on the day of, it just comes in handy to just have it done. So that's what I did on Monday, was a lot of the shopping, the putting away, and the prepping of quite a few things, as you can see here. And then Tuesday, I had to babysit my nephew. So when I babysit, I don't do anything but babysit. So I put a meal in the slow cooker, which was one of my preparations on Monday. So I put a meal in the slow cooker and I babysat. And when he left that evening, I decided to use my cookie press and make some cheese straws. I love cheese straws. It's cheesy and I make it spicy, so I made cheese straws on Tuesday evening after the baby left me. So that was how Monday and Tuesday went. And then this morning I got up, and the first thing I did was pulled out all of the ingredients that I'm going to be using today. Like, I'm making rock buns, so I figure I'll pull out everything I'm going to need for the rock buns, including the eggs and the butter, so it can come to room temperature. Same thing for my pumpkin roll. I'll pull out the eggs and the butter and whatever I need, the can, just to have everything nearby so I don't forget something or forget a step. So I'll just grab all of my ingredients and lay them out, and then start doing my actual baking and stuff like that. So Jell-O pudding pies, easiest thing, a package of Jell-O chocolate pudding into graham cracker crust. My sons loved that when they were kids. They still do, and they always request it. I also made my deviled eggs and put that in the fridge today, so I don't have to think about that. I made a cold noodle salad, and I made my potato salad, but I made it 2 ways, one portion with eggs and one portion without eggs. And I seasoned my turkey and stuck that into the fridge. So far that's what I've been in the kitchen pretty much all day today. So here are my rock buns. I made this is coconut chocolate almond, and the other one is coconut raisin walnut. So those are my buns. And then I also made the Libby's pumpkin roll, and this is how it looks before I stick it into the fridge, and I won't be messing with this until tomorrow. I also made brownies, and lastly I made an apple pie after the apple pie was still in the oven, but then I just mopped and cleaned up and while the apple pie was baking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's quite different, just to show you, a bit of what my shopping looks like. My family of 4, but I'm serving about 20 tomorrow. I just want to say thank you and happy Thanksgiving to every single one of you. I am thankful for you. I am thankful to you. I like to thank people. You are, you're the ones who make this all possible. So thank you so very much for supporting me, for hitting that like button and that subscribe button. Wishing you and your family a wonderful day, whatever it is you do tomorrow. My family works a lot, so I'll have everything ready by noon tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.